This is another really great Bessey clamp. It's a little clamp, it's called a gear clamp, and I find it really useful around my workshop. The first thing you'll notice is that the handle is actually on the stem rather than on the base of the jaw. Key feature of this is getting into tight places, which I'll show you in a little bit. Another great feature is this quick action, which you don't normally get on your F clamps. Really movable, maneuverable, good for really quick work. Here's the tight corner situation I was talking about. I've got this box just as a demonstration. It's already glued together, but I just want to show you. Often you'll be getting into a small little area and your handle will be inside. Your knuckles get stuck on the inside, and it's really fiddly to try and get the right amount of torque down in a tight area. The gear part of this really helps that, and it's just a super useful function, but you can just start to tighten it up here. So you may notice the thread on this doesn't have quite as long extension as the regular F body, but this quick release makes up for that, which I've found to be no issue. It's a really great clamp. It's really small and really helpful for getting into small places. I'm Alex. If you want more information, follow the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.